Papercraft Essentials. Now this is issue 179, just arrived. We're happy to have it. And this has not only the magazine with ideas, but this also has a luxury shaker card kit included. Let me show you all the goodies that are in this because there's 78 pieces. So let me start. This is going to be the top of your shaker, and there are 16 die cuts. Oh, excuse me, there are 8 windows, beg your pardon. So you're going to end up making 8 cards with this. So there are 8 of these, all in white. There are also 54 foiled die cuts, all of these. So 2 pieces of the same imagery. Then you're going to get a package of sequins, so that's nice to put inside your shaker card. You have strips of foam tape so that you can outline your shaker. And you have printed papers. Let me bring these in. So you've got these. They are sized to fit on the cards. Now the cards are here. You get 8 of them. And so you can use the papers like so to cover your card. And you also get the acetate, 2 pieces of this, which of course you're only going to cut down to back your window. So the papers look like this. And the ones that have 2, obviously you can use twice. In fact, you can use them all twice. And then there are some that have artwork. So this can become behind your shaker card. So for instance, Santa can be in the window, the tree, the fireplace. You get 2 sheets of that. Same thing with the Starry Night and a little bit more daylight there. You've got Santa in the sky, and there we've got a winter scene. You have 2 of those. So everything is here to make 8 cards at a minimum. You may have some things left over, card blanks, acetate, and everything. Then inside the magazine, let's see what is here. In fact, there's an example right there on the cover of one of the suggestions. So you've got some kitties on those die cuts, Noel, you've got mistletoe, and here are die cut wreaths. Now they're saying this isn't part of the shaker, but this is the other ideas. So they're saying wreaths don't just have to be for Christmas. Here are some other ideas, which I think are very fun and very clever. And you're going to get step-by-step information about how to make them. And all instructions, of course. The instructions will either be in inches or in centimeters. Sometimes you don't even need the measurements, so that doesn't create a problem. Now, let me see what else we have. This is, I just wanted to point out, you'll see this in the magazine. I just wanted you to know, of course, we're carrying those because we carry almost all of Practical Publishing's, the products they manufacture. Here is a cutout and keep section, and this is dedicated only to your shaker card kit. So you can pull this out if you want to. Every single page is going to give you ideas. You can use the art without the shaker, and as you can see what these have been done, or you can use it with that little window. And let me go further. You get step-by-steps about how to color that window, should you like to do that. And here it is with those sequins in place. And even more. So lots and lots of ideas of how to use the product that's included. And that's always true of Practical Publishing. Now, this is another article, and this is on Bright Rosa. And Bright Rosa is one of the brands that Practical Publishing makes. And some ideas from her. She does panels of die cuts as well as overlays. Fun techniques to know about, fun techniques to kind of share. And if you happen to have bought these from us, you'll be able to just follow right along with what she has done with Paula Pasquale. Here is a section about double Z fold cards. So again, step-by-step instructions, photographs, and then you're going to see the finished cards. And there are several that are shown here, and you can see that it's a double Z fold. So, in fact, Teresa has done that before for us. Then you have a section on 6 ways with jars that I thought was really fun and timely. I thought that was really fun to make a Santa out of a jar. You can do this. The reindeer might be very fun if you've got school-age kids or a granddaughter like I do. Little penguin is charming. Some snowflakes. Remember, dazzles will also stick to glass and do a nice job. So you can see this is really packed, not only with the extra projects you would expect, but a whole shaker card kit, very, very complete, ready for you. Now, we are very proud that we are the exclusive distributor online of Practical Publishing's magazine, and including this one too.